Hey guys, today we're gonna do a little tutorial on how I make these Resin Nature Rings. This is an easy, fun project that is great for beginners. First, let's talk about the materials you will need. I have included links to each of these materials in the description below. First, you will need to purchase a ring with an open bezel like the one on the screen here. The next item you need is an acrylic paint or an epoxy appliance touch-up paint. You will use this to color the background of your ring, so pick the color accordingly. Next, you will need an epoxy resin. Here, I used craft resin epoxy resin. Lastly, you will want to purchase either dried flowers or crystals so you can put embellishments inside the ring. Using your acrylic paint or touch-up epoxy, paint the background of the bezel and let dry. After your background has dried, position your embellishments inside the bezels. Next, pour your epoxy resin into the bezels. Be careful not to overflow the bezel. Now this step is completely optional, but if you feel your rings need more embellishments, go ahead and add them now. Here, I add some crystals to one of the rings. Using a torch lighter, quickly skim across the surface of the ring bezels to pop any air bubbles in the resin. Let your resin cure completely and you are finished. Here are my results. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and share this video.